Estimating time of reactor destruction. Danger. Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-minus 10 minutes. The option to shut down the reactor core will expire in T-minus 5 minutes. The option to shut down the dark matter reactor is now active. Please note, the temperature must be below 3000 Kelvin to allow for the combustion stall protocol to engage. Attention, a distress signal has been sent by reactor operations personnel. Communications network down. Attempting to re-establish connection with Eastern Seaboard Communications Diode. Danger. Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-minus 5 minutes. The option to shut down the reactor core has now expired. Attention, all facility personnel. A code black directive has been issued. Evacuate to Tartarus zone immediately. Attention, dark matter reactor operations team. Please evacuate the facility immediately. Control system error. Reactor controls irresponsive to dark matter reactor primary control node. Attention, facility personnel. Please proceed to the nearest shelf immediately. Attention, facility critical. Please do not use the Attention. High levels of radiation detected in reactor operations cavern. Monitoring system failure. Cannot predict reactor detonation. Code Omni has now been issued. Lockdown protocol will engage in T-2 minutes. Attention, lockdown protocol now active. Blast doors closing in T-1 minute. Attention, blast doors closing in T-30 seconds. Attention, blast doors closing in T-10 seconds.
Attention all personnel, we are expecting high amounts of radiation emissions from the core chamber. We are cutting our rockets and sealing the powder storage immediately. For those who remain in the facility,
Strong gravitational anomaly detected within the core chamber.